For this first exercise, we're going to be seated with our long band. You're going to step on the band with one foot, and you're going to cross your other foot on that leg. Wrap the band around that foot. This is the posterior tib we're going to be working. With that foot, we're going to scoop that foot up, inverting and supinating. When you think supination, think a bowl of soup. You are trying to scoop the soup with your foot. You're going to do the same setup on the other side. Make sure you do both sides, guys. And again, we are going to work on bringing that foot up to the sky, trying to point the bottom of your pinky toe towards the ceiling. For this next one, you're going to need either a tennis ball, lacrosse ball, whatever you got on hand. Put the ball in between your heels. Make sure you keep squeezing throughout the whole movement. And we are simply just going to do some calf raises with this. Again, we want to be squeezing that ball in between our heels, making sure our posterior tib is getting engaged. Our next one, we're going to need either a slant board or, as you see here, I have two wedges that are the exact same size, just lining them up right next to each other. Whatever side the taller part of the wedge is at, going to be working the other side of the lower leg where that posterior tib is. So my right lateral foot is raised. I'm going to be working my right posterior tibialis. From there, we are going to do a single leg RDL. Really focus on having your core engaged here. Focus on that hip hinge and focus on keeping that ankle as stable as possible, not letting it cave in the best you can. Go ahead and switch sides. So now I'm going to be working my left ankle, my left posterior tibialis. So the lateral side of my foot is going to be raised. Again, guys, we really want to make sure our core is engaged, so make sure you're engaging there and then going into your single leg RDL. I like to stare at one spot on the floor. It does help me keep a little more balanced. If you need to tap down your foot after each rep, that is totally fine. Just make sure you are trying to stay as stable as possible. For this next one, we need our regular straight band again. So we're going to tie that to a pole about chest level, and we're going to do a single leg lift Palloff press. If you're unsure of how to do a Palloff press and need a refresher, go to my thoracic strength video. It's going to be the same thing. We are just lifting the leg on the opposite side of where the band is attached. This is good for the core, thoracic spine, and for the posterior tib and ankle stability. Make sure you turn it around and do both sides.